Now to that confrontation in the courtroom, a Brevard County judge versus a public defender. They go head to head with their words, and that's when things really heat up.
Stop pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No,
sit
you know
down.
what?
That was the judge telling the attorney to sit down. Moments later, the two step outside the courtroom, and that's when the attorney says the judge started punching him. Eric Sandoval is live in Viera tonight. And Eric, you heard from people who were actually in that courtroom, and they all say it got really tense in there.
Yeah, you know, they didn't know what to say, Lisa, and you can actually tell that by their reactions in the video we're about to show you. This involved a judge who was actually applying to be a state Supreme Court justice at one time, and an attorney who sounded like he wanted this judge to be doing part of his work for him in court today, and the judge wasn't having it.
What do you want to do? I'm not waiting. If you want to set up your trial, set up for trial.
That's Brevard County Public Defender Andrew Weinstock at the podium trying to defend his client. But the way he was talking to the judge really seemed to anger him.
You know, if I had a rock, I would throw it at you right now.
You know,
And the judge didn't stop there, finally ordering Weinstock to sit down, something he refused to do in the name of defending his client. That's when the judge apparently had enough.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat your...
And that's what Weinstock does, follows the judge into his chambers where everyone in the courtroom heard what happened next.
They went back there and they started fighting like crazy.
Amanda Strohhofer was waiting to be a witness in one of the cases in court today. She said she couldn't believe what was happening, and she thought everything started with the public defender's attitude.
The lawyer was rude. He was extremely rude. He shouldn't have did that.
When the judge finally came back into the courtroom, he was alone, caught his breath, and finished up the case.
I thought it was crazy, but you know what? You ain't got to disrespect the judge in his own courtroom.
Now, one of the other public defenders told us that it appeared that Weinstock had been punched in the head by the judge when all this went down. We don't know how he's doing tonight because he didn't answer the door when we went by his house in Satellite Beach earlier this evening. And, you know, after all this is said and done, neither the judge nor the attorney say they plan to file charges against each other. Lisa?
Wow, certainly a crazy story to say the least. Thanks, Eric.